So here's where I am on my Pro Angler 14. That's Kuiper, our pet panther. I'm missing one cover here. This is going to be my crate for the back. It's one of those folding crates. I got two of those, and they're stackable. I got my rocket launchers. I'm going to redo the bungees. This is my pattern for that. I'm going to make my own out of that. The steering's good. I patched that crack that was over here, and I actually patched the hell out of it. There was a small hairline crack here, and I put stainless steel mesh on there, and then I covered it with plastic, and it doesn't match very good, but it's patched. The pedal drive I bought that didn't fit anything fits this thing. I had to pull the pin out of here, and I had to cut the end off of this, and now it snaps right in. I mean, I gotta put it in direct, pretty straight to make it fit. There was a leak. There had been a repair here, and this was all melted and leaking like a sieve. And so I patched that, wire meshed it, and then patched it again. And then I put some of that, after I checked it and made sure it wasn't leaking at all, this is this is that aluminum tape that AC guys use. It's got the rubber backing on it. That stuff sticks to everything. Even underwater it sticks. So I put some of that there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see it. So that tape inside there, these two both had little hair, these two, excuse me, click and go cam locks had little hairline cracks on both sides. This one I was able to take out with a 3/16 Allen. So I put some of that tape underneath, and it had these little rusty washers under there. So I took those out and put some heavy rubber washers. I put two underneath the bolts, and then I put one back here that's kind of stuck to that tape anyway to keep it level. This one I couldn't get out, so I taped it underneath like you saw just now when I shoved it down in there. What else? That's about it. This thing is ready to go. I've got this swivel here, and it matches up perfectly with these holes. So I'm going to take it with me when I go to work, and when I'm on my break, I'm going to connect it to that, so the seat will actually be an inch higher, and it'll swivel. I don't know if that's going to interfere with the steering that goes on the corner of the seat, but it shouldn't. I mean, I should only be able to turn to the left. Let's see. Yeah, it should be all right. That's about it. It needs new bungees and stuff, but that's easy. This thing was caved in, so I heated it up and popped it back out. Of course, I'm going to replace the bungees here, the bungees over there. Anything that looks like this, I'm taking out and putting new stainless steel screws in. Yeah, this is going to be a fishing machine. 2009 Hobie Pro Angler 14. That's a big boat. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.